This is wild. So even if you got a spare, you still got to air it up. That's crazy.
Yeah, especially with this one.
So she still would have been SOL.
Yeah.
You said that car is I think you said it's 2018.
Better?
That's what she said, I think. 2018 Audi. That's crazy.
Okay.
Sheesh.
It's almost there. Keep going.
I never thought y'all had like an air pump thing or whatnot, or air tank. That's what's up. Sheesh.
That's scary too, man. That's it.
All right. Well, if you got a 2018 Audi SUV, they gonna give you a spare tire that's flat. You gonna have to air that hoe up yourself. God dang me. That'd be lucky Crazy Patrol got that stuff, cause I ain't got a goddamn thing for you.